Guys, you see this picture here? This picture here is the worst picture I have ever seen on the internet. The worst picture I have ever seen on the internet. I don't know which Arsenal fan base created that particular picture, but it's the worst I have ever seen. Because some of these Arsenal fans are just so delusional now. No, how can you create a picture of this nature of Arteta teaching and educating Ruben Amorim and other coaches that have achieved a lot? Enzo Maresca alongside with Xabi Alonso. What has Arteta won in his career, in his coaching career? Arteta has only won the FA Cup. No, you are telling me now that a coach that has won an FA Cup is more knowledgeable in football or in coaching than a coach that has won a lot of trophies in Portugal, a coach that has won Bundesliga in terms of Xabi Alonso, a coach that has won the FIFA Club World Cup, Enzo Maresca. It's just so, I don't just know. I don't just know what to say. But for an Arsenal fan to create this picture of Arteta, who is always losing first position to Man City in 3 seasons or 2 so far, educating Ruben Amorim, Enzo Maresca, and Xabi Alonso, it's just somehow insane. Arteta has achieved nothing. If you are to judge a coach, we judge him by how many trophies he has won. The same way, if we want to judge a player, we like judge him by how many trophies he has won so far in his club or in his career. Arteta can only boast of the FA Cup after how many years at Arsenal. And now you create this picture of Arteta educating these 3-star coaches that have a league cup to their names. Please, this mistake should not repeat itself again. If you know you want to create something to praise your coach, not something of this nature, it is totally taboo. In fact, it is unacceptable in the football world.